Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the CPU throttling test comparison between the POCO F3 GT versus the Mi11X device. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after recent software updates, and let's see how much difference can it make between both phones if you try to use a CPU throttling without any kind of game turbo or any kind of performance boosting. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. How much different it can be there. So Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset. So 8GB RAM versus 8GB RAM variant. So let's see how much difference it's going to be there. And first, all the background apps are completely clean in both phones, as you can see exactly. So there is no background applications running at this moment, as you can see friends. Now let me try to show you the CPU throttling application, what type of settings I'm going to use at this point. Let's see how much settings we're going to do. I'm using the 100 threads and 15 minutes, as you can see friends, exact. So 100 threads and 15 minutes, and same settings I'm trying to use between both phones. Nothing much difference happening here. And brightness also I did set to the same level only brightness. Let's start the test friends and let's check the temperatures. Right now it's of 30 degrees and 30 degrees. So both are exactly same. As you can see, the temperatures exactly same. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after recent software updates only between both phones, and 30 degrees between both phones in the beginning of doing the test. Let's see friends how much different it can be there. Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 in the MIUI, and MIUI both phones are MIUI only, of course, but POCO and MI. Let's see how much difference will it be there. Again, I'll be back after 5 more minutes of time. Then we can actually discuss the stability of the graph. So which phone has got really good stable graph? That is what I'm going to look after a couple of minutes. So again, I'll be back after 5 minutes of time. Right now, as you can see friends, the time is getting close to 10 minutes of time, and the temperature is 36.4 degrees is the highest, 36.4 in the POCO F3 GT. So here's the POCO F3 GT, and the back side 34.8. And Mi11X 37.6, 37.4, slightly more, 0.5 degrees maybe more than the POCO F3 GT, not bad. And 37.2, as you can see, just a little bit, 0.5 only, not a huge difference. But look at this kind of numbers. So both are having similar kind of numbers, performance. Slightly Snapdragon is a little bit kind of more, but you can see the graph, what is going on between both phones clearly. This is how it is, the graph. So again, I'll be back after close to 15 minutes of time. Then we can actually discuss the scores. So finally friends, we got the CPU throttling results between both phones, POCO F3 GT and the Mi11X device, and you can see the graph what is happening. And in the Mi11X device, Snapdragon 870 CPU throttle up to 84%. As you can see, 84%, not bad. In the POCO F3 GT with the Dimensity 1200, the CPU throttle up to 79%, as you can see. But the thing is that look at the scores. So look at the scores. Out of 3 scores, out of 3, max, average and the minimum, I just need 2 points to be the winner. Let's see what is happening. The maximum score in the POCO F3 GT reached up to 3,55,000, as you can see. In the Mi11X device, the maximum clock speed reached up to score reached up to 3,17,000. As you can see friends, what is happening? And average is 3,11,000 and average is up to 2,84,000. And the minimum 2,57,000 and the minimum is 2,40,000. As you can see, in each and every score, the POCO F3 GT scored more than the Snapdragon 870 chipset in this performance of testing. Exactly in this case. As you can see friends, what is happening? In the maximum, in the average and the minimum, comparing between both phones. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this kind of graph I am trying to observe in the Mi11X device after this MIUI 12.5 update only friends. After recent update only, I was able to see this kind of weird graph is going on in the CPU throttling. So I'll try to do more research about this. I'll try to do another test as well using the game turbo, custom settings and turning on the optimization as well very soon. So in both phones, I'll try to use same settings and I'll try to compare side by side again. So wait for my video friends. Tomorrow I'll try to upload definitely. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. And the temperature are also slightly kind of close to each other. So there is nothing much huge difference at this point. And see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.